that. Also, that gas pedal is mounted at least an inch too high. The other thing is, when you're looking out the front here, this is about where your eyes are normally looking. You have to take your eyes completely off the road to see the gauges. I mean, completely off the road. I think that's not good enough. They could have done better than that. They could have mounted these gauges up higher. I'm not a fan of touchscreens. This touchscreen is absolute garbage. To be fair, all touchscreens are absolute garbage. So this is no more garbage than the other touchscreens. This is ugly. It's in poor taste. It's garbage. This little gear shift select knob, I'm not really a fan of it, but whatever, I can live with it. You know, your AC controls nice and basic. The thing I will say, again, in the context of other new vehicles, before I forget, the one weird thing that I got with this car, so it doesn't have, the two things that are really odd about this, it does not have power mirrors, and when I ordered it, they said it will not come with cruise control, but when I received it, it does come with cruise control. Now, the cruise control thing really, honestly, kind of pissed me off because they wanted you to upgrade to like the XLT package. This is an XL, by the way. They wanted you to upgrade to the XLT just to get cruise control, and I wasn't going to pay like $2,000 just to get cruise control. Having said that, this car came out to, before taxes, my cost out the door from the dealer was right around $24,000. So that's kind of the good, the bad, and the ugly. It is not a slow car. It is not a fast car. It is what I would say is an adequate car. I really don't like these door panels. I like the dashboard. I like that they kept things pretty simple and square and, you know, pretty basic. I do like that. I like the fact that it's not supposed to be like space aged or super ergonomic or super sporty or super high tech or super hipster or whatever things are supposed to be nowadays. I like that it's pretty basic. It's just a basic little car / truck. It's hard for me to think of it as a truck because I can't think of a truck as a front wheel drive vehicle. I can't wrap my head around that. It is adequate. Oh, whoops. All right, what's going on here? So, I will say this as well. For $24,000, which was a price point at which you could get a lot of other vehicles, for example, a few years ago, you could get a Dodge Charger for $24,000. I would have bought the Dodge Charger for this at the price point of $24,000 before I bought this car. But you can't get the Charger for that amount of money. So this is a good deal in context of 2023 and 2022 prices. Do I think $24,000 is a screaming good bargain for this car? No, I don't. I think this car should be about $19,000 or $18,000 for it to actually be a good deal. But it is what it is. I can't change the market, and I needed a car. And like I said, this is what, for me, suited my needs at the time, and it was the lowest priced option. Anyway, that's my review of my brand new 2023 Ford Maverick.